Well, good morning, everybody. Harrison Painter here. Let's have a little AI and coffee. Okay, so a lot of people ask me about AI agents. What are they? Kind of explain what that is and show me what an agent is. So that's exactly what we're going to do today. We actually build agents for clients, and one of our products is called SAM. It's our strategic AI manager. And I'm going to show you inside of SAM. And I'm going to show you it's really not that complicated. If you end up with your own agent or want to build your own agent, know that it's possible. Even if you have no coding experience, you don't understand any of this technical stuff, because when I show you inside of this, I think you're going to be shocked. So we're going to take a look here. So we're going to take a look here inside of an AI agent, what that looks like. So an AI agent is something that actually is able to go out and do work for you. And it also has a memory. So in case of what I'm going to show you this morning, an AI agent already knows your business. It can do recurring jobs. It has a memory, and it can do work while you're gone, while you're asleep, while you're taking a walk, while you're at dinner, any of those things. And everything is ran through what's called an MD file, a markdown file. Now, these files are just plain text. They're just words that you can read with a little light formatting around them. You can tweak them, change them, edit them just like you would a Word doc. You can open any of them and read it like a note. So let's go over here to this is literally this folder that you see is an AI agent. It's a baby. It hasn't been birthed yet. So you're seeing the seed, the embryo of an agent. That's kind of cool. And let's open the CLAUDE.md file. And the CLAUDE.md file is basically the operating system around all of this. So let's open it so you can see exactly what this thing is. And here we go. You can see it's just text. Now I've opened it in Note, so the formatting is away and it's just stripped out to the pure text. And this one is generic. Again, it hasn't been birthed, so it hasn't gone through the process of being fully populated. But you can see it has skills auto-loaded inside of it. For all of our clients, we preload with a certain amount of skills. We add in some workflows, some basic workflows, so they can get their first wins as they're trying to figure out the best ways to use it for themselves. We have just everything in here. Voice files. If you have one of our agents, you get the benefit of all the work I've done over the last year to perfect the voice file and get rid of all the AI slop. So that's kind of a big benefit when you work with me. Now, all of these files here, you'll see in this folder, they all have a purpose of some sort. So the CLAUDE.md file runs it. It's the operating system. It's mission control. Then you have the context folder here that when you open it, it has all the MD files that are very specialized to you, to your business, to whatever it is that you're trying to accomplish. So in this case, brand files, business, customer, voice profile, you could add tons of different things in here, whatever you want. It could be a health and wellness. It could be literally anything that you want to give your agent context around what you want it to know and understand. Then what we have is a knowledge base. Now, the knowledge base can be, again, whatever you want, a bunch of PDFs, information, spreadsheets, financials, videos, transcripts, like it's endless, but whatever you want it to know and have information around, you would put inside of the knowledge base. And then from there, we have those workflows I talked about that we make sure to set up for all of our clients. We want them to get some wins, understand how everything works. So we include those in here. And then the big thing is skills. So we have this file right here that has skills in it. And we offer a handful of skills to our folks too. Brainstorm, design to brand, fact check, which is one I've worked on for a very long time. Make PDFs very easily, plan before building, pushback, because agents will tell you everything you do is great without it. A session journal, which is just another way to make memory a little bit better. Verify before done and write a PRD. So just things that help you overall. improve your experience. We have crafted our own interview setup file. So that way, when you log in and you say set it up, it interviews you, it populates everything in that context base. It asks you to upload some knowledge into the system and it kind of walks you through the whole thing. And then that system journal that I showed you is your memory. So every session gets logged and you can go back and say, hey, what was I doing last Tuesday? And I want to kind of remember what that is to put everything in context. So that's basically everything inside of the system that you do. Yeah, I hope that helps. So that's it for me today. Together, we can go further, faster. Glad you're here. Have a great day. And enjoy that coffee.